In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear browser data in Opera. Clearing your browser data is a quick way to fix loading issues, free up space, and protect your privacy, especially if sites feel sluggish or you want a clean slate. Start by opening Opera. Once it's up, look to the left sidebar and click the gear icon to open Settings. This is your control center for how Opera behaves, and it's where all the privacy options live. In the Settings page, select Privacy and Security from the menu. This section gathers everything related to your data, permissions, and safety tools, so you don't have to hunt around. Next, click Delete Browsing Data. A panel will appear with options that determine exactly what gets removed. You'll notice there are different levels of detail here. Choose More to expand the advanced options. This view lets you understand what each category covers. Browsing history removes the list of sites you've visited. Download history clears the record of files you downloaded, not the files themselves. Cookies and other site data will sign you out of most websites and reset site preferences. Cached images and files free up storage and can resolve display glitches, though pages might load a bit slower the first time afterward as cache rebuilds. You'll also see options for things like saved passwords and autofill data. Deleting those means you'll need to sign in and re-enter details later, so review what's selected before continuing. Set the time range to all time. This ensures everything in the categories shown is cleared from the beginning, not just recent activity. It's the most thorough reset and is useful when troubleshooting persistent issues or preparing a shared device. When you're ready, click Delete Data. Opera may take a moment to finish, depending on how much it's clearing. After it completes, some sites may ask you to sign in again, and initial page loads can be slightly slower as new cache is created. That's normal and usually improves quickly. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your browser data in Opera. Repeat this process periodically to keep things running smoothly and maintain your privacy.